welcome back to Rustech GH. We are going to continue. Okay, so now we know how to, that is, hide our folder and files, and also unhide its back. Okay, now we are moving on to, that is, how to create user accounts. How to create user accounts. Okay, so now to create the user account, our computer may have one user account. Most of us don't know how to create different user accounts, because for me, if I have 2 or 3 user accounts on my computer, and if you come to collect and do something, I will log into different one for you, so that you may not use my user account, or because my documents and other things are there. So we are going to see how to create user accounts on one computer, so many user accounts. Okay, so now remember, in normal ways we have short way to create the user account. So you can go to our control panel, that is our control panel. We are going to create user accounts in normal way. You go to user accounts. Now that is, we have user account, change account type, and then remove accounts. Okay, you come here. Now add user, new user in this PC. So you can add the new user in this PC too. Okay, so that is how we do it. Okay, so now under normal circumstance, we want to create different user accounts using command prompts. Okay, so now let's see how we are going to go about it. Now I only have one user account. If you see it, that is Rustech. Let me go back again for you to see the user accounts. Okay, I have entry out. That is the only user account. That is the administrator. Okay, so now let's see something. Now, if you want to see the user account on one computer, you open the command prompt, run as administrator, then you queue in net user. So you see that I have administrator. So that is default account, that is guest. Okay, so the administrator, that is the name on the computer. So that is that, and its password on it, the command computer successfully. So you see that user account for Rust entry. So the computer has only one user account. So that is the administrator one. Okay, good. Now, if you want to create a user account, these are the keywords that you are going to type. So you queue in net user, then you add the username, right? So you add the username. So what is the username that you are going to have? Maybe tech. Then / you add, let me kill you small, add, that is password. So that is the keyword. So it means that I'm going to create a new user called tech, right? And then you add a password. So if you hit enter, you see that our user account is going to be 2. Okay, let's see, enter. Now the command computer successfully. We want to see whether that user account was successfully created. Okay, let's go back. If you try to change it, let me go to switch user. Now here my recording will go off, so let me go this way. Let's check it on the control panel. Okay, user accounts, that is user. Okay, you see, so now I have 2 user accounts here. That is the tech, that is the local name, password protected, right? So that is that. So I can log in here to do so many things over there. And then I'll log in back to the administrator as well. So if you come to collect my computer to do something, I'll give you different user accounts so that you may not see the things on my computer. If you log into this particular tech user account, you see that the icons and the rest on your computer may be differ, except those who have been installed to the computer, but different folders and some things on your computer may differ from that is the tech user. And also the background too may differ. So that is how we create user accounts. Okay, now let's see if you want to delete this particular user account as well. You want to see how to delete the user account. So I have the user account called tech. We want to delete it. So let's go to the command prompts. Now, these are the commands that you are going to write so that the user account will be what? Will be deleted or will be deleted. Okay. So now, this is what you are going to do. That is, you still type net user, then / del. The del means what? Delete. Then you add the account name. The account name is what? Tech. Enter. You see that the command has completed successfully because I have deleted this particular user account. So let's go back. Let's come in and see. Change user type. I have only one user account here. That is the administrator user account. So that is how we create user accounts. Okay, see you in the next tutorial.